Rock Pals gives you the power to explore with the all-new Rock Power 300-watt portable power station. Set up the ultimate camping experience to ensure the outdoor memories you'll never forget. One of the safest and most efficient power stations on the market for your mobile devices. Weighing only 7.7 pounds with the easy carry handle, its lithium-ion battery pack delivers a massive 280 watt-hours for more charges and longer-lasting power. Our system gives you multiple ways to charge, including a 110-volt pure sine AC outlet, 12-volt carport and DC outputs. A total of 4 USB outputs, including the USB-C and USB Blue outputs that give you 3.0 quick charge technology for a more efficient charge. And to make sure you always know where your power's at, the LCD display provides accurate input, output, and battery level readings. Feel confident knowing you'll always have power when you need it most. When the power is depleted, this unit recharges with ease. Simply plug it into a wall outlet, car charger, or best of all, pair it with our 100-watt Rock Pals solar panel that boasts a 23.5% high conversion efficiency. With the Rock Power 300, you can charge your devices while the unit itself is being charged, alleviating the stress of waiting before you can put it to work. Breathe new life into backyard parties, giving you and your friends the power to keep the night going. In the event of a power outage, know that your Rock Power 300 can keep your essential mobile devices up and running. Whether it be camping, road tripping, or for an emergency power solution, the Rock Pals Rock Power 300 gives you the power to explore.
From the #1 rated brand in cordless outdoor power. Introducing the Ego Power Plus Nexus Power Station. Compatible with all Ego Arc lithium batteries and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connected. It's a portable power station that can replace a gas generator. The Ego Power Plus Nexus Power Station provides 3,000 watts of peak power and 2,000 watts of continuous power. Quiet, clean power when you want it, and power when you need it. The Ego Power Plus Nexus Power Station.
My name is Peter, I'm here in my workshop, and I want to talk about this 300-watt Progeny portable power station. Right off the bat, I have to tell you, this thing is a must-have. Whether you're the outdoorsy type, the stay-at-home type, the traveling type, no matter your lifestyle, this thing's going to come in handy. It's built really well. It has this sturdy handle on top, making it really easy to carry. Like I said, it's 300 watts, 80,000 milliamps, and it'll charge pretty much anything you throw at it. Let's talk about the ports. All of the ports are right here on the front. Of course, you have your AC output, as well as 2 DC outputs at 12 volt and 24 volts. You also have 4 USB ports. You have USB 3.0, you have 2 5 volt USB outputs, as well as the new standard Type-C USB output. All you have to do is plug in your device, hit the USB button, and it'll start charging it automatically. Same goes for the AC, so if you're charging a laptop, a fan, you're plugging in a light, whatever the device may be, you simply plug it in, make sure it's turned on, hit the AC button, and you're good to go. There's also this handy DC cigarette lighter port. So if you're out and about, any of your devices charged via a cigarette lighter, just plug it straight in. One of my favorite features of this Progeny power station is it has wireless charging built in right to the top. So there's no fumbling or finding of cables and cords. You simply lay your phone that's compatible with wireless charging right here on the top of the power station and it starts charging. Another super cool and handy feature of this power station is the built-in light. You simply press the button and you've got illumination. You have 3 options to charge this device, so no matter where you are, you can have power. This power station comes included with 2 cables for charging, one for wall charging and the other for charging in your vehicle. The third option is to use portable solar panels. The other amazing thing about this power station is it allows for pass-through charging. So when you're out and about, you're using your solar panels to charge the device, you can be charging other things while this is charging. This digital screen on the front makes it super easy to be able to tell how much power remains in the power station, as well as how much power it's outputting to other devices. This Progeny power station is the perfect solution for emergency situations. Mini fridges, CPAP machines, laptops, phones, cameras, drones, whatever you're into, whatever you need to power, this thing can handle it. If you're out in the woods, you lose power at your home, wherever you may be, you have light built in, you have the ability to charge a multitude of devices at the same time, and it's really just a handy and safe thing to have.